Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating glimpse of history, the 25 most epic foods served at George Washington's famous Mount Vernon estate. You might know Washington as the first president of the United States, but did you know his dining table had some seriously impressive dishes? Let's explore what the culinary world looked like back in the late 1700s at Mount Vernon. Number 25. Fresh Chesapeake Bay oysters. Living on the Potomac River meant George Washington and his guests often enjoyed freshly shucked oysters, a regional delicacy and staple at Mount Vernon. Number 24. Turkey. Wild turkey was common on the table, roasted to perfection and often served with native herbs, a true taste of American wilderness. Number 23. Cornbread. No colonial menu was complete without cornbread, a simple yet essential side dish made from cornmeal, often baked in iron skillets. Number 22. Apple cider. Fresh-pressed apple cider was a popular, refreshing drink, sometimes served chilled or spiced depending on the season. Number 21. Venison. Washington's estate had ample game, so venison or deer meat was frequently featured in hearty stews and roasts. Number 20. Salmon. The Potomac also provided a steady supply of fish, including salmon, which was often smoked or grilled over an open hearth. Number 19. Lima beans. These were grown on the estate and typically boiled or stewed alongside meats or vegetables. Number 18. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin was a common farm crop, and early American pumpkin pie, though different from today's sweet version, was a beloved dessert. Number 17. Goose. Domestic geese were raised at Mount Vernon, and their meat was prized for special occasions. Number 16. Cheese. Fresh and aged cheeses were part of the spread, brought from local farms or made on site. Number 15. Clams. Thanks to nearby waterways, clams were often collected and cooked into savory clam chowders or simply steamed. Number 14. Whiskey. Distilled right on the estate, Washington's own whiskey was served at gatherings, showing he was also a successful businessman. Number 13. Peaches. The estate's orchards provided sweet peaches, eaten fresh or baked into tarts and cakes. Number 12. Hardtack. This simple, long-lasting biscuit was a staple for both daily meals and long trips away from home. Number 11. Duck. Waterfowl from the Potomac, like ducks, were roasted or prepared in rich sauces. Number 10. Beans and bacon. A classic pairing, often slow-cooked to bring out maximum flavor. Number 9. Bread pudding. Made from leftover bread mixed with milk and spices, this dessert was popular for its simplicity and taste. Number 8. Wild rice. Gathered and harvested locally, often cooked as a side dish or incorporated into soups. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Roasted or mashed, sweet potatoes added a natural sweetness to the meal. Number 6. Game birds. Quail, partridge, and other small game birds were frequently hunted and served. Number 5. Clabber soured milk. This traditional colonial dairy product was eaten fresh or used in cooking. Number 4. Apples. Eaten fresh, baked, or made into cider, apples were a versatile Mount Vernon favorite. Number 3. Biscuits. Fluffy, buttery biscuits made from flour and buttermilk were a breakfast staple. Number 2. Meat pie. A hearty pie filled with meat and local vegetables, perfect for lunch or dinner. And the number 1 epic food at Mount Vernon was corn on the cob. Simple, fresh, and in season during harvests, corn was truly the backbone of colonial farming and dining. So there you have it, 25 epic foods that give us a delicious window into George Washington's life at Mount Vernon. These dishes weren't just meals. They were a reflection of the land, the seasons, and the spirit of early America. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating food and history content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.